Hey guys, this is me Pile. In today's video, I am going to show you how to pin Instagram post. Well, Instagram does not have this feature right now. Most of you will not have this feature, but do you know that soon we are going to have this feature, which is that we can actually pin our post right here on our Instagram profile. It's going to be coming really soon. So how this is going to happen? Well, we got on Insight, and where we will get this option is that if we go to our profile right here, and in our profiles, actually some of the people have this feature because it is still in testing phase right now. So what happens is that we will get the option right here when we open our picture on our profile, and then we have these three dots right here, and then it will appear this section right here where we find the option of archive, delete, edit, hide, like, count, turn off commenting. So here we will find the option of pin to profile, and then the option you will click on option, and then the picture, that photo, that post will be pinned your Instagram profile. So in this way you can pin Instagram posts. So this was a process by which you can pin Instagram posts. If you find this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks. Have a good day.